It's cooking time.
Wow, this place looks amazing.
Of course, this is the gateway to the magnificent backwaters in Kerala.
That sounds great.
And have you heard about Karimeen?
No.
It is called pearl spot.
Okay.
That's a very delicious fish and it hails from Kollam, and Kanjiragood Kail is very famous for that.
Great.
I'm going to prepare you a wonderful Karimeen fry roast in banana leaf.
Wow, now that sounds exciting, but I'm sure I can fix your drink to go along with it.
Wow, wow, wow.
Let's do it.
That's it.
This place really looks amazing. You know what, chef? This gives me an interesting idea. You teach me how to prepare this dish and I'll teach you how to fix a cocktail.
Wow. So let's go. So today I'm going to prepare, like as I said, Karimeen fry roast. All right. And have you cooked fish in pineapple?
Never.
Yeah.
I've just heard that thing, pineapple on pizza.
Yeah. Pineapple can do magic in fish, prawns and crab on seafood.
Great.
So what you do is go home, pick a piece of pineapple, fine chop it. All right.
Okay.
Fine chop it. And keep it aside. Right. So let's marinate our fish. Okay. Hold it. So I'm going to train you. Take a nice fish. Okay. See, just you're going to marinate the fish. You can see that, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Take it, keep it on the side of the plate. All right? Now I'm going to cook without salt. This is bird eye chili.
Okay.
You can use your own chili flavors back in your place. This is garlic paste, ginger garlic paste. All right? Now you go to blend it. So that I took a bit of pineapple. I blended it. Then I'm using my chef's magic. You can slice it for me?
Sure.
Okay. So this will help to do the marination in a faster way. Okay. So this is going to be your dish of the day.
Great. So pineapple, bird eye chili, ginger garlic and chef's signature.
Yes, and one more thing we will add. We'll take some curry leaf. Okay. And we'll check, just fine chop. You saw that? Now what you do is just bend it. Okay, again, and you can stuff it inside. You saw that? Now, it's cooking time. Okay?
So what are we going to do first?
Yeah. It's a fish fry roast in banana leaf. Now it's getting hot, right?
Okay.
Because there shouldn't be any water there, we are applying some coconut oil, very own Keralian oil, right? A lot of curry leaf. Okay. And we'll add a little bit of pineapple. Okay. Now some ginger garlic paste. So that. Have you seen this way of cooking before?
No, this is my first time and I'm really happy about it, that I got to be a part of it over here.
Wow. So let's begin. We'll start with one, all right?
Okay. It already smells amazing.
I'm going to roll this fish. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wow, that looks yum.
1, 2, 3, go. So again. Yeah.
Your
just-
special chef signature.
Yeah.
I really want to know what's in it. And that's going to give me that amazing flavor.
You can try. Now again, some more.
Wow.
What I'm going to do is just fine chopped onions. You saw that? All right. Just put on. I think there is a cocktail in which can be made with tamarind juice.
Sure, there is.
There is, right?
Yes.
What is the name of that?
So I like to make a tamarind margarita. Oh, that tastes amazing. The same way the pulp, we use it.
You know, in Kerala, once this, mothers start doing like that, our mouth starts watering.
My mouth is watering already.
So just pouring a little bit of tamarind, okay? Now, sorry. And this is the coconut milk. Yeah.
Well, Kerala is known for its coconut.
Everything, coconut oil.
Everything has to be coconut oil, but that's the unique flavor of Kerala.
Now, on the final touch, we will add a bit of coconut milk. Yeah. Ooh.
Wow.
Ooh.
Again, it's chef's signature. You got to tell me this recipe. Okay. So now this is, what are we doing with this?
I'm going to burn it. Yeah.
This looks amazing. I've never seen this style of cooking.
So visit Kerala occasionally. We will be lucky to have your cocktail, and you will be lucky to have our dishes. Yes. Wow. Now it's almost ready. You can see the banana leaf is being roasted. Yes. There are different style of preparing this dish. This is actually one style.
Wow.
Yes. And normally people cook with salt, but I cook with sugar.
Oh.
Yeah, you saw that, right?
Yes, you've not added salt till now.
So this is sugar, right?
It's a nice, sweet, tasty going.
That you should say. So it's ready to serve.
So finally the dish is ready. Now it's my turn to teach you how to fix the cocktail.
Wow.
Let's do it.